Hi everyone, now we'll talk about ref and we learned that how we can use ref in React Native. Firstly, ref is not a part of React Native, this is a feature of React.js. But we know React.js is internally used in React Native, so we can use ref React as well as in React Native also, right? So next question you can ask, what is ref actually? What we can do with this? See, ref is basically reference of any component, right? So with the ref, you can get all properties, all attributes, or you can say that all information about any component. For example, you have an input box, right? A text input. So once you will use a ref, you can change its value, its color, focus, whatever you want to change. It's like a ref can give you the DOM properties of an input fields. Same as in web development, we just get the DOM information by get document by ID, get document by class. Similarly, with the ref, you will get all attributes, property of a component, and you can modify them, right? But there is a lots of things. First thing is, should we use ref in React Native usually? No, we should not use more ref in React Native. Reason being, it will directly manipulate the DOM. And in React Native, we basically use the virtual DOM thing. That's why we should not change directly DOM properties of any component or an input field of all of these, right? But in some cases, we have to use the ref. For example, whenever we are just trying to make focus on a specific field, we don't have any other option. We have to use ref. Alright, so now let's see what we can do with the ref and all. So first question we already completed, like what is ref. Now I'll tell you how to use ref. Then we will just change the focus with the help of ref. We will update the style and all, and we will cover some important interview questions also. So this is our just blank screen. If we did not write anything for there, there is just simply blank view field, right? View component. So what I'm going to do there, firstly, I am creating two text field, right? Text input, we can import one, and I can say that placeholder enter name. Similarly, I can put one more property there, enter password also. And I can add bit style there. Let's say I hope you already know like how to use style and what is style sheet and all, because I already told in lots of videos, right? So input, so let me just give a border color, could be let's say sky blue or something. After that, border width, we can say that let's say 1 pixel or 2 pixel, whatever you want to fill to, just do that. And now let's apply this input with the as a style in the input field. So let me just put there styles styles dot input, on both places. We can add some margin also because they don't have space between them. Margin could be let's say 15 pixel in all sides. Perfect. And let me just add bit width, right? It could be 2 pixels to just watch it perfectly. Great. Now these are the simple things. So what I can do there, I will just making a button also there. Let me add some title. Let me just give me some moment so that I can just put the all places on that screen so that we can use that use ref, right? So just right there, update input, and on press let me call a function also. Let's say update input or whatever you want to just give that function. One called, right? And let me just create a constant there. Now once we will just press the button, you can see that this function is getting called. Perfect. So what I want to do now, so let's say I have the focus on my second field or not have focus in any field. So once I will just click on the update input, the focus should be go on the name, and that thing we cannot do without ref, right? So firstly you have to import the ref from the React.js, not React Native. Use ref hook, right? And now let's just get this hook in a constant or in any variable, whatever you want to say. Input, you can put any name to it, like input field, data, information, DOM, whatever you want to put, like this. And now you have to just bind this ref with an input field. So I just want to bind with the first one. So just use the ref props and let's apply it. Perfect. Now on a button call, as I told you, I want to just focus. Then just use their ref. This is the reference of this field, dot current. That means we are just applying the things for the current and focus. And this is a function. Now you can see that I don't have any focus on any field, right? So if I will just click over there, you can see that we are got the blinking cursor on the first field. Again, let me just do it. Currently you can see that there is a second field, focus on the second field. Just again, it will just go to the first one, right? This is the way that how we can use the ref. Let's just try one more example. Let's say I just want to update some style. Let's just simply use input dot current dot set native props. This could be a function. This is function, and we can just put any property there. Just say I want to just put the color or something, right? So let me just use color is red. That means the text color will be the red of this. So currently you can see that if I'm just typing something here, this is completely black, right? So let me just click over there, and now you can see that if I will just type something there, that will be red. Great. So now let's say a font is also a bit smaller, then you can just say that font size could be 20 or 20. Currently you can see that, let me show you, font size is not much bigger, this is a bit smaller. If I just click over there with the help of focus, now you can see that we have the bigger font. So that's how you can use the ref. And the next thing, this is a small question for you, like how you can change or how you can get the value of this input field with the help of ref. You can just let me know in the comment section. That will be helpful for other developers also. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.